This piece is based on a photo of a Namibian desert that I saw years
Mm.
ago. And what really brought the photo really brought to mind that there was a forest here and now it's a desert
Mhm.
because the encroaching sand dunes and the encroaching drought killed the trees, and all that was left were skeletons of trees. So I made this piece kind of thinking about that photo and what the world could look like if the current trends continue. And coming from California, I'm very familiar with wildfires. So that whole fire in the distance look is something that we dreaded all the time when I lived in California. So that's was the genesis of this piece.